In today's corporate world, millions of hardworking employees feel burned out, used, and emotionally exhausted. They give their time, their energy, their loyalty, but instead of appreciation, they receive silence, pressure, and sometimes betrayal. Surprisingly, this problem was explained thousands of years ago in a Panchatantra story, a storybook called Panchatantra. Let me tell you the story of the monkey and the crocodile from this book. A monkey lived on a fruit tree beside a river. Every day he shared sweet fruits with a crocodile. They became friends. The monkey trusted him completely, but the crocodile's wife secretly planned to kill the monkey for his hurt. One day the crocodile carried the monkey on his back across the river, not to visit his home, but to betray him. When the truth was revealed, the monkey did not panic. He calmly said, "Oh, I forget my hurt on the tree. Take me back so I can get it." The crocodile turned back, and the monkey jumped to safety. He never returned. Modern workplace reality. This story is happening every day in offices. Employees work late, take extra responsibility, sacrifice health and family, trust their managers and teams. But sometimes those very people use their loyalty and then take credit, deny promotions, replace them, or emotionally drain them. This leads to burnout and betrayal. The monkey's wisdom. The monkey teaches us the three powerful lessons. Do not overgive. The monkey gave too much without protecting himself. In real life, when you give unlimited time and energy, people stop respecting your limits. Burnout is not caused by work, it is caused by overgiving without boundaries. Second, observe before you trust. The crocodile smiled but planned harm. In offices, some people praises you, but secretly complete or exploit you. Trust actions, not words. Third, walk away from toxicity. The monkey did not go back. When a workplace exploits you, lies to you, or damages your mental peace, the most powerful decision is to leave. Not every job deserves your loyalty. So, Panchatantra teaches us loyalty without respect leads to self discussion. Protect your time, protect your energy, protect your dignity. That is true business ethics. Thank you for watching, and to subscribe, like, and share Manage Logic for more insights and lessons from stories.